Some people can create a 3D design in their head and put it directly into a CAD software program. I'm one that has to doodle. I've been using these yellow small notepads for decades. And most times it's just a rough idea of some measurements. But it allows me to get everything in a format that I can easily modify before committing it to the computer. So I needed a place to put these. So what I came up with is this simple 3D storage rack. It holds up to 3. You can cram a 4th in there, but 3 seems to be a good number. I put some holes in the bottom just so that things don't collect in there and make it difficult to remove. This was all done in Fusion, and I've got it up on the laptop right now. I'll be uploading these files to Thingiverse, both the STL and the original Fusion file. If you want to modify it for your own use, you're more than welcome to do so. So what I think I'm going to do is mount it in a easily accessible area like here. That will just allow me to drop them in. That's a better height. Something like that. Another easy project. "16.5 hours.